Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Harvard Business Review account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in hbr.org, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Harvard Business Review. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you do not have the account yet, you'll have to create the account for yourself. So click on this option, create one, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here. So first of all, click on the field of first name and enter the first name. Likewise, click on the field of last name and enter the last name. Now you'll also have to provide the email. So click on the field of email. Now provide the valid email address over here. After you enter the email address, click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Your password must have at least 10 characters, one number, one upper and lowercase letter, and one special character. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, if you want to sign up for the HBR email, check on this box that you can see right over here. Now after doing that, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to sign up for the account. So that is how you sign up Harvard Business Review account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.